Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rent a car on Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like home, my trips, deals, cards, and more. On the top of the screen, you can find hotels, flights, things to do, homes and apartments. Right below those options, you can see airport transfer, car rentals, themes, trends, and buses. You have to tap on car rentals there. Once you go to rentalcars.com, you can see you have to select your pickup location, drop-off location, pickup date, time, drop-off date, and time. I'm gonna change this to October, I guess. Now, they're gonna give you a few suggestions. We can select from that and tap on search. Then they're gonna give you suggestions of different cars available from the booking companies that's associated with Agoda. And guys, that's it. All you have to do is select one of those cars and book it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.